Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to the Nasra Public School online teaching system. I am your English teacher, Class 2, English Literature, Lesson 1. Topic: Amazing Animals. Students' learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to recognize the difference between vertebrates and invertebrates in the environment, animals with or without backbones. Identify that vertebrates can be classified in 5 groups as fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, or mammals based on common characteristics. How are animals different from one another? Students, let's watch this video. Animals classification. All around the world, many different types of animals are present. Many animals are quite similar to each other, while others are different from others. So animals can be classified based on the similarities. The whole animal kingdom is divided into 2 main groups. They are vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates are animals that have a backbone inside their body. The major groups include fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Invertebrates don't have a backbone. They either have a soft body like worms and jellyfish, or a hard outer casing covering their body like spiders and crabs. Animals classification. Look at the picture of animals classification. Today we will be learning vertebrates groups. In what ways they are different or same from each other.
Page 8, Unit 1. Get ready. Words. A. Listen and point to the words. Listen again and say the words.
Skin.
Skin. Our body is covered with skin.
Mammals.
Mammals. They are animals which live on land or in water and has hair or fur over their bodies.
Eggs. Amphibians.
Amphibians. Amphibians are animals who live in water or on land. Frogs are amphibians.
Scales.
Scales. Fish have scales all over their body.
Gills.
Gills help fish and amphibians breathe in water.
Feathers.
Feathers cover a bird's body and keep them warm.
Wings.
Wings. Wings are part of a bird's body that help them
Fur.
fly. Fur is thick growth of hair that covers the skin of many animals.
Skin. Mammals. Eggs. Amphibians. Scales. Gills. Feathers. Wings. Fur.
Read the sentence, write the words from A. Number 1. Birds have 2 of these. Orangutans don't have these. The answer is wings. Number 2. Chickens lay these. Some people eat them in the morning. The answer is eggs. Number 3. These are all over animals' bodies. And what is the answer? The answer is skin, fur, scales, feathers. Number 4. An elephant and an orangutan are part of this group. The answer is mammals. Frogs are parts of this group. What is the answer? The answer is amphibians. Number 6. Many animals that live in water have these to help them breathe. And what is the answer? The answer is gills. Students, can you tell how animals are different? Can you see birds and fish? Look at how different they are from each other.
Page 10. Read. Amazing animals.
All animals can breathe and move, but they're different in many amazing ways. Here we look at how they are the same and how they are different. This helps us put them into groups.
Today we'll be going to read about different animals group and how they are same or different from each other. Amazing means wonderful.
Birds. All birds have 2 legs, 2 wings, and feathers, and most birds can fly. The wings and feathers help them fly, and the feathers help keep them warm. Birds lay eggs with hard shells. They keep the baby birds inside safe from animals that want to eat them.
We have learned that all the birds have legs, wings, and feathers. Some people think that what makes an animal a bird is its wings, but it's not true. So what makes an animal a bird? The answer is feathers. All birds have feathers and birds are the only animal that do. Birds lay eggs that have hard shells. Birds keep their babies inside there so that the other animals don't eat them.
Fish have gills to help them breathe in water. Scales all over their bodies help keep them safe from dangerous fish that want to bite them. They don't have legs, but their fins and tails help them swim. Fish lay their eggs in water, and their eggs are soft.
Fish have fins, tails, gills, and scales. Scales are hard, so they keep fish safe from other fish. Fish have gills. Gills also help fish to breathe underwater. And fins, as you can see in the picture, they help fish to swim. Fish, like birds, lay eggs, but their eggs are soft. There are a lot of different fish. How are fish different from birds? Student, can you answer this? As we have learnt that fish and birds both have different body parts. Fish have fins and tails, and birds have legs. Fish are covered with scales, and birds are covered with feathers. Fish can swim, and birds can fly. Fish lay soft eggs, and birds lay eggs with hard shells.
Amphibians are very interesting because they can live on land and in water. Amphibians need to have wet skin, so they live in wet places. They lay their soft eggs in water. They have gills when they're young, and the gills help them to breathe in water. Most amphibians, like frogs, have legs that help them walk and jump on land.
The word amphibians means 2 lives. Amphibians are very interesting. Do you know why? Because amphibians spend their lives in the water and on land. All amphibians begin their life in water with gills. Like fish, gills help them breathe in water and tails. As they grow, they develop lungs and legs for their life on land. Frogs are amphibians. Now, let's look at the question. How are amphibians same as the fish? Fish and amphibians both have gills.
Mammal.
They both lay their eggs in water and their eggs are soft.
Mammals. Some mammals live on land and some live in water. Whales are water mammals, and cats, rabbits, and lions are land mammals. Hair or fur covers most land mammals' bodies, and this helps keep them warm. People are mammals too. Mammals don't lay eggs. Their babies drink milk from their mothers.
Mammals also live on water or inland. Whale is a water mammal and cats, lions and rabbits are mammals that live on land. Mammals have hair or fur on their body. They don't lay eggs. People are also mammals. If an animal drinks milk when it is a baby and has hair on its body, it belongs to the mammal group. How many mammals different from amphibians? We read about mammals and amphibians, so we can easily know how they both are different from each other. Amphibians have wet skin and mammals have fur. Amphibians lay eggs and mammals don't lay eggs. Their babies drink milk. Reptiles. Reptiles are animals covered with hard, dry scale. Scales can be hard or soft, large or small. Most reptiles lay eggs. Some reptiles have legs and some don't. Reptiles breathe using lungs. Reptiles include lizards, snakes, tortoise, crocodiles, etc. Thank you. Have a good day.